Hey! Today we're going to be talking about the film called CODA. It's an amazing film. I love it. Hopefully you'll love it the next time you watch it, if you haven't watched it already. So, let's talk about this film. First off, hi, I'm Harley J. I am a filmmaker, student. This is my YouTube channel. So, today we're going to be talking about this film called CODA. It's an amazing film. CODA stands for Child of Deaf Adults, or Children of Deaf Adults, and it's a really fun film. I really like this film, and I think you would like it too if you went on and watched it. So, if you have Apple TV Plus, you should watch it, but that's not our whole review. Let's talk about some of the parts of it. First off, let me just make this thing get higher so I don't have to be kneeling the whole time I talk. Okay, so CODA is the story of this young girl, Ruby. And she loves to sing. Her two parents are, you know what they are? They're deaf. 100% deaf. Her brother, deaf. She's the only one in her family that is not deaf. Crazy, right? Yeah, it is crazy. And it's a really inspiring story. It was picked up at Sundance by Apple, and then Apple released it on Apple TV Plus, and I watched it. I've watched it like 50 times. It's amazing. There's a lot of people saying it will win Best Picture at the Oscars. It's already been nominated, and it probably will win. It is a little bit cheesy, in my opinion, and a lot of people's opinion, it's a little bit cheesy, but it's still really emotional, and it's really good. A lot of people are calling it an emotional powerhouse, and I think it's the best review out there. Like every time I see a billboard for CODA, or I see any ad for it, it literally says CODA, an emotional powerhouse that is like a quote from someone or somewhere. So it's a really interesting film, and I really enjoy it. But here's the problem with it. The problem is the actors, not always the best. There are some good actors, but there are some bad actors. And some of those actors can make you fall asleep. Not kidding, they can make you fall asleep. Like, So guess how I stayed awake? Gia. Gia is an amazing drink. I love Gia. So good. If you like wine, if you like an aperitif, get it, because it's a non-alcoholic aperitif. The cans taste like it's like a sparkling water. It's like they're like thing. It's like a juice kind of thing. Mixed with sparkling water, and the can. Or you can mix it, or you can buy this big glass bottle. It looks amazing, and add your own sparkling water. But this is just an amazing drink. It kept me awake for most of the movie. I love it. So let's talk about the best actor who acted in this film. Best actor goes to Troy Kotsur, or however you pronounce his last name. I'm bad at pronouncing a lot of actors' last names, even though I'm a filmmaker. But yeah, it's true. These packing peanuts are so good to push on. Feels so good. So yeah. Okay. Well, I'm putting the link in the description for this thing and for the film CODA. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that. Peace out.